There are three main types of associate's degrees to choose from. The Associate of Arts degree focuses on general education subjects like English, math, science, and social studies. It's a good choice if you want to transfer to a four-year university and major in a liberal arts field, such as history, literature, or psychology. Next is the Associate of Science degree, which focuses on science, technology, engineering, and math STEM coursework. It's a good choice to transfer to a four-year university and major in a STEM field like biology, computer science, or engineering. The Associate of Applied Science degree focuses on practical skills and training for a specific career, and you could start working right after graduation. Get prepared for starting positions in fields like nursing, graphic design, or automotive technology.